Hi, my name is Eric. In this introduction, I'll give you a short description of what you will cover in this course. The course makes use of a number of D1 Mini modules, as well as a Raspberry Pi running Docker and a number of services like Node-RED, Mosquito, InfluxDB, and Grafana. The D1 Minis have a ESP8266 on them, which is combined in a module, and it then provides you with a number of headers with pins to connect to all the available inputs and outputs. These are the two D1 Mini shields that we will use, the temperature sensor and an OLED display. We will then use ESP Home to write a script, and this script will be compiled into a program that will run on the D1 Minis. After that, we will make use of a Raspberry Pi running Raspbian. We will install Docker, and in Docker we'll run a number of services like Mosquito, Node-RED, InfluxDB, and Grafana. These are a number of tools that will be used as well. This is WinSCP, which it will use to copy the files into the Raspberry Pi. This is the MQTT Explorer that shows the MQTT messages that will be coming from the D1 Minis. And this is PuTTY, which allows us to have a secure shell login into the Raspberry Pi and to see what services are running. As part of the course, we will also use Portainer. This allows us to see the services that are running inside Docker on the Raspberry Pi, as well as Node-RED. Node-RED makes use of flows, and in the course we will show you how to connect these flows together in order to capture the MQTT messages, send them to the InfluxDB, and then that will allow us to create graphs in Grafana. The final outcome will be this web view that shows the history of the DS18B20, the temperature sensor, as well as a real-time graph.